Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Are you ready to do a fun activity with us? By the end of this video, we guarantee you that you will learn a topic in angles and its axioms. Materials required for this activity: 2 broomsticks 10 cm and 20 cm long, 2 square sheets of different colors 15 by 15 cm, protractor, glue of any type. If you have all the materials ready, let's begin. Take the square papers and fold them as shown. Fold the papers in half and paste the ends using glue. Take this 10 cm long broomstick and paste 2 pieces of paper folding on the stick as shown. Now, paste the free ends to the 20 cm long broomstick. Now, your model is ready to play with. If your model doesn't look like this, don't worry. You can watch back the video before continuing further. Observe what happens to the papers when you move the 10 cm broomstick. It increases and decreases depending on the movement of the broomstick. The color papers are called adjacent angles. The sum of these adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. Now, let's break the 20 cm stick. We can observe that the paper increases and decreases as we move the broomsticks. But in this case, the sum of adjacent angle is not equal to 180 degree because the 20 cm stick is not a straight line anymore. Now that we know what adjacent angles, ray and non-common arms are, let's learn about some axioms. Axiom: if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of adjacent angles formed is 180 degree, as we can see in this model. Another axiom: if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms of an angles form a straight line. Hope you guys have learned 2 axioms and how they work by using this model. Do play around with the model to understand the axioms much better. Thank you for watching. This is Tan90 signing off.